I'm using it to.
This can enable the attendance to attend.
As our focus is sustainability, how we can generate.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
My name is.
Thank you.
Entrepreneurship at the university, and I'm also.
Thank you, Dr. Chege.
Good morning.
Our chief guest, I would want to be critical thinkers, and therefore we need to. It's also a big area that we need to integrate in our curriculum pipeline, and that is why.
The main purpose why Safaricom is here today is because our CEO Peter Ndegwa is the Chancellor for Meru University, and we are currently partnering with the Meru University to run the Innovation Week. We'll be supporting them with the hackathon. We're also running an technical immersion on software engineering and AI, which we are trying to build capabilities within the engineering community in Meru.
This is what we want to encourage the students to continue doing, including our postgraduate students who now seem to be coming up very closely. We want to move away from importing some of the technologies which we can create ourselves.
I can only appeal to our government to continue financing research components. At Meru University, we have the RISE Directorate, that is Research, Innovation, Commercialization, and Extension Directorate. And the intention is really to exploit the potentials that there are in the research areas, in the innovation areas, in the commercialization area, and also in the community as we do our community outreach there.